Hi, what's up? I'm Ayan. Normally, you won't have to install DirectX on your computer because it is already installed, but in case you get any problems, I'm going to show you how you can install it, actually fixing all of those problems and actually upgrading your DirectX in case you have problems. So for this, we need to go to this Microsoft's official website. Link is given in the description. Here you will see the DirectX, everything about DirectX, but we are still going to download the latest version. Simply hit download and the setup will download in a minute. This is a web setup, which means it installs using the internet, and I always uncheck the Bing bar. Make sure you do this because nobody needs Bing bar. It will search for if you case you have DirectX installed. If you don't have any problem, it will reinstall it for you and even upgrade the previously installed DirectX. So this is how you install it. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. And also make sure you restart after installing. See you guys in the next one. Take care.